Hello everybody, this is Rajiv. Today I'm going to be unpacking and reviewing of a product which I purchased from eBay Global Easy Buy, India actually. This is the direct shipping from United States to India. Well, the product is now going to be a MOLLE pouch for cell phones. So this is the order. I ordered on the last Wednesday. I received it on Thursday. It took about 8 days for me to receive this package actually from United States. The seller's name is The Best New. He has about 99.7% of positive feedback, and the international reseller is actually the I2C World Incorporation. So that's about the seller details. Well, it's from the New York, I guess. The sender's name is I2C World New York. The actual sender's name, I have no idea about that. It doesn't have any information. It's only given as New York. Okay, so New York, NY. So this is about the product details. The packaging. This is my second product from Global Easy Buy, from eBay Global Easy Buy. The first one was a spec canister case. It came from Pennsylvania. Here we go. That's for my Lumia 1020's spec canister case, yellow. And it's pretty good. It arrived in really good condition, arrived in a really good packaging, but this time doesn't look like a good packaging. I can feel the product inside, but okay, it's acceptable because this is in a pouch, an undamageable one, so yeah, I mean I can accept it. So this is the packaging, guys. I've ordered the tactical outdoor army MOLLE camo cell phone. This one is going to be, the color I guess is going to be, I guess it's CP or 10, I'm not sure. Okay, so I'm gonna just open it down and see what we have inside. Alright, so pretty fast shipping, guys. Not like usual. People say they did not get their product even after 15 days or so, but I got within just 8 days. The previous, my first purchase was also pretty faster. I got it in 10 days, but this one is a little faster. I got it in just 8 days. So let's open it, guys, and see what we have inside. This is the actual product from the United States. It came from New York, USA, Okeba Industries. I'm not sure where exactly in the United States. Okay, maybe you guys would know. This is all I got. Okay, so let's open it. Okay, so there you go. That's the product I got. Okay, so nice one. I don't have anything inside. No invoice or anything. Okay, so this is the only carton I got. Alright, I already have purchased a casing, a pouch from Flipkart previously for my Lumia 1020. This was pretty smaller. Actually, this actually fit my Lumia 1020 perfectly before I actually put on my my casing, my spec canister casing. But after when I put the spec canister casing, it become the size actually grew up, so I could not fit this thing in. So right now, what I'm gonna do is I'm using this for my iPhone 4. So that's all this casing is all about. This has. Let me keep this aside for comparison. Okay, so that's the thing I have. So let's open it now. The specification states that it will fit my phone, but it doesn't look like it will fit my phone. Okay, anyways, I'll try it out and see. The size is a little bigger than what we have here, but it doesn't look like. Okay, the actual size is about, the width is 8 centimeters, the length is about 13 centimeters, the width is about 2 centimeters. That's what I hope so. So let's open it. Okay, so there you go. Doesn't look like it will fit my phone. Okay, just like as I thought. Okay, this won't fit. I thought it would fit because they said it's 8 centimeters in width, but right now this is just about 7 centimeters in width because my phone is 7 centimeters. So this is waste of time. I have to purchase another pouch and I have to sell this off somewhere else. Again, this is a bad thing for me. Okay, waste of time, waste of money. Alright, wrong seller, giving wrong informations. I'll definitely put this out in eBay Global Easy Buy. Okay, but looks like this one has Okay, I'm not gonna review this anymore. Okay, anyways guys, this is not a fit to my phone. They said it's 8 centimeters in width, but this is just about 7 centimeters. The total centimeters here is just about, okay, they said it's 8 centimeters, but okay, it's 8 centimeters, but the width is not 2 centimeters. Okay, it is 2 centimeters, but the thing is, like, when you expand it, I mean, the inner width is less than 7, I guess. You can just measure it out here. It's less than 7. Yeah, it comes to about 7 point something, 7.3 something, and my phone's width is just about 7 point something, 7.6. So it's an exact fit. I thought it was a little bigger. I should have ordered a bigger one. Made a mistake again. I think this won't fit into my phone. My phone doesn't fit in. I think this will fit nice, I guess. This fits pretty easily. But again, this one is a bad idea. Okay, there you go. So it fits pretty tight. Okay. So this one is good either than this one. I wasted about 1,200 rupees for this stuff. Pretty stronger one. I think I'll damage my casing here. Okay guys, so anyways, I'm gonna sell this off OLX or somewhere else, and I'll get the money back. Probably, I'm not sure. Okay, but okay, the quality appears good. Okay, I might use this for some other stuff. I'm not sure, but no, guys, this seller is not actually recommended. I should have purchased the biggest one. Made a mistake. Okay, guys. So anyways, that's all the review about this product. Not so great. I'll just put 1 star for this. Not recommended at all. Okay, so that's all for the review, guys, for the product review of the Tactical Outdoor Army Molly camera pouch or something. Okay, so I'll see you back. I'll get back with another review soon. So until then, take care. Aloha.